So we already got our tickets. Yay. We're going first to Shibuya, then after Shibuya, we're going back. Pero lagaan na kami ng Harajuku, and then we're going back here in Shibuya.
Okay, let's go! Okay, dito tayo sa number 14, which is the Yamanote line, going to Harajuku, Shibuya, and Shinagawa. How does it feel, Ella? How does it feel?
Okay.
Lonely. Are you ready for Shibuya? I see Shinjuku. Punta kami kay Hachiko Gate, kaya dito kami bababa. Go.
We're here at Hachiko statue. See, I can finally see Hachiko. It's actually my dream to see.
So kayo dyan, may mga magazines over there. There you can sit and relax. Diba? There's a money exchange here. This is the green bus. If I am not mistaken, here in, I know, it's Shibuya. I mean in Shibuya. Lagi nagkakamali. Okay, what's next? We are now going to cross the famous crossing here in Shibuya. Iti 360 degrees ko kayo. But before you cross, you need to decide kung saan tayo pupunta mga girls. Starbucks coffee first? Okay, Starbucks coffee. Let's go!
Hey guys, we're now in McDonald's here in Shibuya, and we're going to try out McDonald's here in Japan for the first time. So let's go and see the menu.
So this is the Nama Caramel, which is only available here in Japan, and I think that is a limited edition. Gente ito, oh, ayan oh, limited edition yan ng McDonald's. It's sobrang sweet. And meron din silang ano oh, milkshake, ayan oh.
30 yen.
Refresh you. I-try natin yan. Ayan, happy na sila dahil meron na silang Happy Meal. Happy Meal ba yung McDonald's?
Oh.
Happy Meal. Ayan, happy na sila sa kanilang McDonald's.
We're now going to convert this channel into a mukbang channel. Welcome to Aya's mukbang channel. Charot. So we're having, ano to? Bacon?
This is the bacon lettuce burger with fries, and I ordered, where's the coffee?
Iced
coffee. This one, okay?
Yeah, burger. I mean bacon lettuce burger.
And how about you?
And me, I ordered the Grand Clubhouse burger with fries and cola. How about you? Teriyaki burger with fries and iced tea. And Anne ordered double beef and egg muffin. Thank you. With Sprite. Hi. And the caramel McFlurry.
Limited lang yung dito. biggest, I think, the largest mugi shop here in Japan. Iyak ka na saan?
Iyak na ako. I've been waiting for this my whole life.
Yan lang na, Holy Land ka na dyan. Holy Land daw ni Elaine to.
50 yen lang yun. 25 pesos lang.
Ano ba tingin ang mukha mo? May I see your face? Oh my God, talaga meron ka na talagang daladalang ano.
Iyak na ako, promise. Iyak na ako.
Holy Land daw ni Elaine. Ang Holy Land natin nasaan, Ella?
Doon tayo sa beauty.
Kung ito ang may Holy Land ni Elaine, kami ni Elaine.
Beauty.
Ni Ella, doon kami sa makeup. Yan, naiiyak na siya dyan. Talagang, first time kita nakita may hawak na basket.
Hindi kasi ako nag...
One pink, one violet, one blue. Dito tayo sa orange. Come here. Bigyan mo ako ng basket dyan. One orange, one red. Wala na bang tagi-50 yen? Tama na yan. Ano pa? And then, how about this? Yun lang yun. Meron siyang green, yellow. Ano, yun ko to. Ang ganda, di ba? Ang cute. Okay. So, how much did you pay?
How much did we pay? 7,800.
Minus.
Actually,
That's
it was
already-
originally 8,000 plus yen, pero since tax free, we're tourists, now, nagkaroon kami ng discount. It's only, ay hindi siya discount, medicine tax. 7,800 na lang. So yun, very, very tipid. Nakatipid kami ng at least 500 pesos dahil dun sa tax free nila. So,
Ito naman. Kasi Elaine, masasabihin siya.
Iyak na ako.
Iiyak na siya kasi dream come true na. Iiyak na si Elaine. Iiyak na yan. Namula yung pimples. Okay, tapos na tayo sa Muji and yung kanilang kaadikan sa Muji will take you forever. Halos 1 hour yata kami. And doon naman tayo sa Forever
21!
Ayan, siya is a Muji lover. Okay, our next stop will be
Forever 21!
ayan. Forever 21 na tayo, Ella. Baka sakaling may magustuhan tayo.
Yes, of course. It's so sunny.
This is the
today.
biggest Forever 21 I have ever seen. Pero actually, meron naman sa Osaka. This is the Forever 21, the sobrang laking Forever 21. And may I see your... Forever 21. Eto nakuha ko, may mapulot lang, may So I hope you enjoyed watching my Tokyo vlogs. Maraming salamat po. Domo arigatou gozaimasu and see you again on my next video. Yeah!